Fornburg, okej, ovo je sad spao.
No, this is wrong. That cannot be right. Odin fought against his fate. It can be done.
You will betray Sigurd.
Kaže ovo da ću mi da ga izdamo, sve će mi.
Kjotve's warriors.
Tu skill points, čekaj. Polako. Da ovdje nemamo nivoje, ovdje samo dobijemo skillove. Šta je meni ovdje cilj? Rude Awakening. Kill Kjotve Spy. Mogu ja to u stilu Assassin's Creed-a.
This one would not have come alone. I should find the others. Go. My eyes. What do you see, Sunim?
I have a bad feeling. Just the three of us.
Mislim.
We should return to Notfall with our report while we can.
We can bring Kjot.
On to prdno upravo. Spavaj. To je to, brate. Captain's instruction. Tell me what you see, how many ships, warriors, supplies. Also, visits from Charles and other important people. I don't know what you can report back to me directly, Kjot. Malo smo ostavili velik trag, ali nema veze. Ostavili smo ogroman trag u snegu.
My warnings or be off.
You will be.
We do
Brate, upravo nas je lik napao.
Kjotve's fortress. The losses would ruin us.
The losses have ruined us, father. Until we cut off this serpent's head, it will poison us day by day, drop by drop.
The poison has already polluted our waters.
Ciao.
God save all. What happened?
Spies in our camp. 3 men sent by Kjotve to kill us as we slept. I returned the favor.
There, you see? This is what waiting brings. We must answer this
Jesi vidio sad kralja?
Came from Notfall, that whaling village under Kjotve's control.
We hid him there. Burn it down before Kjotve learns his spies are dead.
He may have sent more. I can search the village while you round up the crew.
No need. I will send Hytham to search the area. You can rely on him while we are away.
We? Do you mean to join us?
Ne, nego on misli da mi uđemo u Brotherhood.
I have not been bred for Valhalla like you, but this will be far from my first battle.
I do not like this, but I will not stop you.
Brate, Igor će na kraju postati Assassin, pa iste šta vam kažem. I Sigurd isto.
Do not lead my son into the same storm that follows you.
Na kraju ćemo mi koknuti kralja, pa isto šta vam kaže. Pilački oti supplies.
Let's go.
On je leko negdje.
Let's have a song.
Warriors! Drenge! When I was away, far from these frozen shores, wondering if I should ever see home again, I grew afraid. Afraid I would not return in time to see Kjotve's end. Afraid I would not see him bleed out like a stuck pig in a drift of snow. But here I am, home in time to join those I have missed.
Zanimljivo je ovo.
Those I loved.
Ovo sad nog, brate, hoću da čujem Šentije, brate, neću slušam tebe.
Fall from Kjotve. Tonight his heart will pulse with worry. Tomorrow it will burst from fear.
Hoću da pokažem ljudima, hoću da pokažem ljudima Šentije, brate, boli me kurac za tvoje priče.
And soon the Raven clan will feast on his dead. You know these isles best, Wolfkist. Lead us to victory.
I will show the way, but you must lead us there.
Oh, Hayward. I missed
I meni si nedostajao, znaš.
I wished I could have taken you along on my travels.
Styrbjörn did not trust fate with both our lives.
He had no reason to fear. Together, we are unstoppable.
Strike up a tune. Sing, my ravens.
Možeš odvijem između priče i pesama.
Get ready!
Raid!
Ravens claim no fun for all
Waste this place! Burn and pillage! And let all who pledge to Kjotve feel the frost of our steel!
Keep at the knitting.
Now we pay!
Hayward! Destroy those wagons!
Die now!
Ču. I sam rače što da izgorim, a? Dođe kao iglu više.
By the gods! Die!
Shit, brate, pa brate! Ne znam kako da uništam ovo osim da ih... Ali ja to idem sa strelama, samo ne znam gdje je meni... Ja ću to sad sa strelama da uništam, ali ja ne znam gdje je meni... Gdje je meni ovaj... Mogu ja da...
Burn and pillage, and let all who pledge to Kjotve feel the frost of our steel!
I'll stay your welcome.
Pronašli smo stari jasno. Svaka čast, pronašli smo. A zašto neka ne radi samo tek? Jer for mene nema ko da revive-a kad umrem. Koliko hu. Watch your backs.
Have to repair that.
Ili vi to da zapalite, ja ću da...
Go, Sudan.
Сейчас ću ti se pleme gon. Ne može ovako. Baš mi se toliko blizu tebe, ali da. Znači ne može ali pa, ali može ovako, gledajte sada. Znači doslovno mi ovdje stoji ono. Još igrati u tome vatra, brate. Že si mnogo jak, zato što imaš 2 sekire, šta? Eto ti na. Shit, brat. Mater će sad početi da se širi. Fuck. Ovdje imamo ovaj ajvoć, vidim šta sa ovaj run. Ne samo interesuje kako ovako debeli viking može da... Fuck brate, jeda živ sam. Rekao sam da u bukvalnu vodu se može skočiš da god hoćeš. Ali ovo posljednji su planova ima. Ja, sad dolaze ovi s brodima, ja nemam health. Ali ćemo možda sad imati... Rič Sigurd. Gotham device.
Who are you, Gester? Name yourself.
Gester.
I know his face. He met with your father not long ago.
I did, indeed. I am Guthorm, uncle to King Harold of the North.
Pazi, još ima lepu bradicu.
My nephew when there is need.
Već ak si obrio, već ak si ofarbo bradu, mogu si ofarbati kos.
You may ask him yourself, my lord.
Isus jebot.
And you are Sigurd of the Raven clan, is that right? Son of the wise king Styrbjörn.
I am. And you are standing on his land, King Harold. Land we have reclaimed with blood and steel.
That I see, and I honor it, for I have not come to war against you, but for you, at the request of your father.
The canny wolf. Was this the plan he spoke of?
I offer my support. With my warriors, your Raven clan can take Kjotve's fortress and settle this rivalry for good.
This is good news, Eivor. The Wandering King will tip our fortunes.
Any man who wishes to see the end of Kjotve is a friend of mine. We thank you.
Kad se lik se sam ponudio da... Lik se sam ponudio nam pomogne, tako da ono, vrat, neće da god bi.
But I must lead the charge.
I see. Is this a question of honor?
It is. Many winters ago, Kjotve broke an oath to our fathers. He betrayed a friendly peace and slaughtered many.
I understand. Sigurd Jarl will lead the assault against Kjotve and his
Sigurd Jarl.
Give him full command of my ships and my warriors. When your victory is in hand, Sigurd, find me at Alrekstadir, and we will celebrate together.
Our men will gather at Florley, near the mouth of the fjord northeast of here. Will you join us?
Hold a moment. You captain our longship, Eivor. Meet us there, and we will claim Kjotve's head for the gods.
Brother, I have waited too many years for this day. When Kjotve stands before us, give me the final blow.
You will have it, Eivor. You deserve it.
Eivor.
Eivor, give us a hand. Harald is generous with his troops. More than I would be.
I cannot fathom his game. He is either a young fool or deceptively wise.
Whatever his reason, I have a good feeling this war is near its end.
Hoće mi dobiti konačno ono Assassin's Creed Valhalla ili ovo i dalje uvod u igricu?